Alright, so here's the tools that you're going to need to do this. First thing you need to do is you need to unscrew this cap. Pop this cover off, and then take your air filter off. Okay, so once you get your air filter off, it's going to look like that. What you're going to want to do is, you see when your throttle goes, that piece of metal stops it. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to bend that right there back. Let me demonstrate. I like to grab the vice grip, or needle nose will work too. And I like to grab like this and bend it just a little bit like that. And then you can finish it with your flathead screwdriver and your hammer. Just like that. And now you got full throttle.